One. All right. So currently we.
All right, testing. I think we're good. We are good, man.
Break below this area for
I was hoping to sell. I think some people took a sell. I didn't. I was driving.
So
I was driving very
may
fast
have
today.
probably missed the move, but when I open up my terminal, I realized.
What the hell is this?
Like,
Rajab Banks is live on YouTube now.
Even had time to.
Good morning, Habibi. How are you, Adam?
You know, so we're right
Adam.
on time.
Yeah, Adam, are you going to be in Romania? You coming to that event in Romania?
Best green tea in the world. Best green tea in the world. Where are you in Dubai?
I tried. What happened? What happened, Habibi? We have another Adam over here. Adam.
Very fast today.
Daughter is sick. You gotta take care of her. We have Adam and Adam.
Rajab Banks is live.
Same names but different pronunciations. Adam and Adam. Good morning, good morning. I don't want to take any impulse decision over here. Oh, Adnan. My bad. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, Adnan. Yeah, I don't want to take any impulse decision here. It's a Friday, so need to be very, very careful on a Friday. I don't want to do anything which I will regret. So I'm going to be calm. What I'm going to do later on is I'm going to do a little breakdown of the trade I took yesterday. I think that's going to be better. But other than that, not trying to do anything out of the ordinary here today. Yeah, this was a good trade yesterday. Here. Boom. My stop loss got hit. But okay, let's just do some analysis here, right? So the 15-minute candle will close in 4 minutes. If we zoom, well, screw zooming in. Let's do this here, right? Scroll. Let's remove all these zones. Yeah, we have to remove all these zones here first. Zoom in. And it looks like there's a bit of a support being formed on the 15-minute time frame. Let's put a yellow line right over here. And now we will scroll to the left-hand side, see what we got. We'll sell. Yeah, I'll be looking for a sell there. You're right, Adam. Okay. Take a look at this here. So apparently now, I guess this is like the range we can fall into. How big is this? This is the 100 pip range. Let's take a look at this on the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute looks clean. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, you know, probably with volume we can continue pushing down. You were mentioning that you were looking for close below M15. Hello, Vicky, how are you? Good. Good. Yeah. Happy New Year. What's up? Brother, do you follow me on YouTube and Instagram? Yeah. I'm doing a live stream now, man. You calling me in the middle of a live stream? Oh, fuck. Bro, I'm having a live stream right now.
Hello. How are you?
You're not a good friend, man. You're a bad friend.
What the hell? I just saw your story. I saw you were in the office.
Of course, I came in the office to do a live stream, bro. Why else I'll come to the office? Anyway, send me the message in that group so it comes up. I get so many messages on WhatsApp. It's very hard to keep track. Okay. Send it. Yeah. No problem. Do you trade liquidity sweep? No. You think I'm a janitor doing these sweeping? No, I don't. I'm just waiting for this 15-minute candle to close so the next 15-minute candle can wick up, break below the low, and then we can continue pushing down. Take a sell and have a good Friday. 45. Shit's gonna go down with 50 lots today. Feeling good today. Do you time to eat trading? What? Do you? What the fuck? Do you and time to eat? Nick. Just say Nick. Yeah, no problem. I saw you on the stream last week. It was very good. Yes, man. Nick, me and Nick are very good friends.
Do you trade liquidity sweep?
Me and Nick are very good friends.
You think I'm a janitor doing these
Raja, your sound is resounding. My sound is resounding. What do you mean by resounding? Like echoing? Do you know anything about TRT? I know a whole lot things about TRT. Whole lot things about TRT. Oh.
Feeling good today. Do you time to eat trading? What? Do you?
I did some back today. I did back and triceps. Back and triceps. Some dips. Oh, look at that. Did 50 push-ups. Yes. Oh, here we go. Screw push-ups. Take a look at this.
Raja, your sound is.
How to grow a $50 account. You can't. Go to work and make that into 200 and then try that.
Anything about TRT? I know a whole lot things about TRT.
Ah. Let's lower the lot size. It's Friday. We break below here. Stop loss goes above here. And we get 100 pips today. All right? Where's my magic keys? It's over there in the conference room. I'm not going to go over there. Okay. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this? Sound is repeating. Really? Hold on. If I miss this trade, it's all on you. YouTube. Hold on. Screw the sound. You can see the video, right? That's all that matters.
And we get 100 pips today. All right? Where's my magic keys? It's over there in the conference room. I'm not going to go over there.
Okay, now the sound should be good.
Are you guys ready for this? Sound is repeating.
Okay.
Really? Hold on. If I miss this trade, it's all on you. YouTube.
We are inching close over it.
Hold on. Screw the sound. You can see the video, right? That's all that matters. All right? Where's my magic?
This is a very delicate situation, okay? Very delicate situation. Guys, stop writing long ass sentences. I don't have time to read long sentences. If your sentence is longer than 10 words, it's a long sentence. Summarize it into 10 words. 10 words or less. Where do you consider TP? 100 pips. Oh, thank God we're retracing. Thank God we're retracing. I don't have to take a trade. So stressful to take a trade, you guys have no idea. Thank you, God. We are retracing. I believe your video is playing in the background. Really? Oh, yeah, it is. My bad. Here we go. Here we go. Now it's all okay. So if I do take a sell, this will be below, like right over here. And the stop loss is going to go above this candle over here. Current 15-minute candle. That's where the stop loss is going to go. Sir, please make a course in Urdu. No. Bro, your voice is coming. Let it come. I'm 2215 NG per. I'm doing TRT. You are 20 years old. You are doing TRT. What the fuck are you doing TRT at 20 years old? Are you stupid? Pretty sure you are stupid doing TRT at 20 years old. Retard alert in the YouTube chat. That's why you're in the YouTube chat. That's a gulag. You know, you shouldn't be doing TRT unless you're 35 plus. Brother, you got time. You got time. When you draw your support resistance zones, what is the length in pips? I don't know. Like, what do you mean the length in pips? Like the thickness? The thickness of support resistance? You know what that means? You're asking about the thickness of support resistance? That's like someone asking, oh, hey, what's the thickness of your duvet cover? Or what's the thickness of your blanket? How many centimeters thick is your blanket? Like, who cares how thick is the blanket? As long as it keeps you warm, right? Same thing with support resistance. As long as the zone is there and you can visually see it, that's all that matters, right? Don't get into this thing about, oh, mine is like, oh, Raja's support is 5 pips thick. Mine should be like 5 pips thick as well. You know, like, we're not measuring supports and, like, you know, all these things over here. As long as you can see it, that's all that matters. What if I remove it? What if I do this? What are you going to do then, copycat? Let's do this. Yeah, what now? What are you going to do now? Now Raja has no blanket. Raja has the sheets. Now I got the sheet. Now I only got the bed sheet. All right, anyway. Oh, there we go. Ah, there we go. Perfect. Stop loss goes over here. And we just let the money roll in on Friday today. Let all the money roll in on Friday. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. I have hormonal issues. Wow. I don't know nothing about hormonal issues. But hey, if that helps, that helps. I didn't know you had a medical condition. Oh, ooh, wow, look at that. Can we get 100 pips? This is gonna go. You know what? I don't like what it's doing right now. Boom. Close half. Shit. You know the problem here was? The problem was that it just dropped down and then it retraced. So when it dropped down and retraced, I didn't like that. I did not like that one bit. I didn't like that. That was a problem in the making. I guess that's it. That's the only trade for today. Lost 5,000 today. Let's see here. June. Wow, this was a very nice losing streak here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Lost about, what's this? Oof. Yeah. How to manage risk in that case? Yeah, you can't manage risk in that case. I mean, if it goes down now, I mean, what can you do? But do I want to give my trade a second chance? Should I give this trade a second chance? Should we give this trade a second chance? Should I? Could I? Set the wrong right 1,000 times. You're the one. You're wasting time. Think about it. On what basis you decide your lots? So there are a couple of reasons how I decide my lot sizes. Number one is going to be the like I measure the probability of the trade. Like right over here, I had a smaller lot size, 25 lots, and because see now we're gonna get that 100 pips. Yeah, this deserved a second chance right over here when I was thinking about it. It's gone now. It's long gone now. It's long gone now. Now we're gonna see 32.79 hit. The second chance is long gone now. This is where traders will start to take buys, thinking price will go up, but price will continue to fall down and screw them like a grand screwing is gonna come up. Actually, just for whatever, just for educational purposes, if we retrace more, I'll enter this 5 lot. I guess it's true. Sir, there's a lot of rejection on the left-hand side. That doesn't matter if there's a rejection on the left-hand side. We're still going to continue pushing down. Like 3280 is right there. We're coming to 3280. Because it's volume time, man. It's London Open, volume time. We're coming to 3280. I mean, what else is going to happen? Your stop loss was not a good... Yeah. I think my stop loss was too tight. I think the stop loss was too tight. Yeah, 3280 is right here. I think we're gonna tap into 3280. Who gave this a second chance, or who's still in the trade? It's good. My stop loss was above, still in it. Oh, nice, Khalid. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. You guys are still in it. Yeah, good job, man. Good job. Did way better than I did. Yeah, this is going to be a good one. This is going to be a very good run over here. I am, but closed 50%. Beautiful. Still good. This is a very good run. Second chance got taken out. What the? How did your second chance got taken out? Where'd you put your stop loss? Should have been above this wick here. Your stop loss. What pair is that, buddy? Open your eyes and you see what pair this is. Why are you even trading? Yeah, 3280 is coming up over here. 3 pips stupid. Oh, shit. Yeah, 3280. We're going to see 3280 is going to be a bang. Because look, we've fallen so much. There are people taking buys. And gold will say, no buys today, buddy. And then we will continue to push lower. Let's take this over here. Right here. Right? Just for the fun. It's like a small 5 lot, you know? It's nothing crazy. Just like a small 5 lot. Do you always look for support or resistance on any other trend you follow? No. I always look at support and resistance. Always. Yeah, the 5 lot is already up like 20 pips. You know, 3280 is coming up over here. Not confident to enter now after got 47 pips in pre-London. Beautiful, man. You got 47 pips in pre-London. That's it. That's the only thing you need. That's it. Be happy. Be happy that you got some pips. You know, gold likes to play games. It can retrace, go back down. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. No problem. Sir, one simulation session. Yeah, we are having a simulation session this Sunday for Market Fluidity members here today. Thanks again for the knowledge. Hey, like Mike, welcome. Beautiful. Well done. Someone secured 11 pips. Wow, too early. Too early to close. It's a Friday. Have some fun on Friday. Have some fun on Friday. Man, I was watching this documentary yesterday about this guy who took some small amount of Bitcoin to multi-millions, you know? He took small amount of Bitcoin to multi-millions, and then he lost all of it. Crazy story about this guy. He lost all of it in 6 days. I think he lost like 25, 30 million. I forget the name of this guy. Let me see if I can find it. Let's see here. History. You guys want to see my history? My YouTube history? You guys want to see what I watch? No, I won't show you. Oh, I was watching a video the other day someone made about me being a scam, and it was actually funny. I might do a reaction video to it, but then again, I don't want to give anyone any clout where they don't deserve. Let's see over here. This is stupid Ken. Stupid Ken. I usually discard this and took the trade. Yeah, no, don't. I think this was it right over here as we went down. And this was it. This one right over here. So whenever you lose a trade, look at the trade and ask yourself, how could you have been more safer? You know. What do you think about orb? Orb, like what? Refresher orb? Oh, you didn't lose. Okay. Then I think I write something over here that I won the trade. Still good. Wow. Yeah, I'm done for today now. I don't know what gold is up to. I have no idea what gold is up to. No clue. That's why it's very important to manage risk on days like these. Looking forward to the event in Romania. Me as well, man. Saturday, one more week left. One more week left. I'm confused, sell or buy. Well, when you're confused either to sell or buy, then that's it. Don't bother trading. Refresher orb, yes. I was playing with Lich yesterday and I had a refresher orb. Yeah, I'm done now. I'm done. You know, like, so listen, let me give you guys some sort of education. When things like this happen, right? When things like this happen, when you take a sell, doesn't work, you give your sell a second chance, it doesn't work, then you start to think, okay, well, I should take a buy. That's a bad idea. That's the point where you should just call it a day. You should be like, you know what? I'm done. I'm not going to entertain this anymore. Because me trying to entertain this more is going to be more damaging to me. So there's no point. Look at the 30-minute rejection. Like, no, doesn't make any sense. Let's take a look at pound yen here. What the hell pound yen is up to? All right, let's remove all these zones. What's the name of the guy that lost all the money? I don't know, man. I think it was in May. Yeah, I think it was in May. Let me check over here. This was 2025 Bitcoin trader who lost. James Wynn. Yeah, James Wynn. James Wynn, man, the amount, the sizes of his positions were so crazy. He was betting 5,000 Bitcoins a position. Went from nothing to millions and then just lost it all. Imagine. He lost 100 million. May 24, 25. When opened the massive 40x leverage position valued at 1.25. Man, this guy was going crazy. Crazy. Extreme degenerate. He was going nuts. Look at that. May 29th. 94 Bitcoin position. Worth to liquidity at 106. Blah, 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 blah. Bitcoin's price. At one point, he was up $90 million at one point. Major liquidation happens at, so he had a 500 Bitcoin position worth 53 million, liquidated when price went to 104. Second one, it was at 400 Bitcoin worth at $43 million, got liquidated at 104,000 Bitcoin. Collectively, he lost 949 Bitcoin. Holy fuck. Total loss for Win was 99.3 million over the week. He is quitting the casino after a good gamble. Look at that. The peak was about 87 million profits. From like 3 to 4. From 3 to 4 million, he went to 87 million. But he still made $25 million. He still went to $25 million. Crazy. Crazy. How much did, yeah, let's see how much he started off with. James Wynn. James Wynn. This is fucking made 25 million, man. Why do I have this Yahoo stupid ass Explorer over here? How much did James Wynn start with? Oh yeah, he went into meme coins first. Yeah, I remember now. I remember he went into meme coins first. The kind of 6,000. Wynn received 6,000 ETH from Ameda Research. Now from or whatever. His initial investment was $7,600 in the meme coin, Pepe coin. This was the name. He made $25 million on this meme coin. $25 million. The market cap went to 10 billion. You know, and then he took all that money, big win, 25 million, blah, 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 largest one, whatever. And then he just took all that to Bitcoin. There's a long ass documentary about this guy on YouTube. Yeah, James Wynn. You Google. Yeah, this was it. This was it right over here.
Reckless trades and miraculous.
Crazy, man. Just nuts. He was gambling meme coins. Look at that. Was only 7,600. His profits 25 million by April 2024. Considering that later rose about 3 times again, James Wynn rose approximately 50 million. Balls of steel. Imagine. Imagine, man. What's gold doing? Nothing. Wild. People like that exist, man. People like that do exist. Why is the bank calling me on a holiday? Holiday. Mr. Bank, it's a holiday. You can't call banks on a bank holiday. I'm going to watch this documentary. However, his gambling behavior disgraceful. May Allah protect us from it. Yeah, that's true. Thanks, Raja. Thank Raja for close opportunity. Wow, look at this, man. Should I give this trade a third chance over here now? If this candle can close bearish, the next 15 minutes can wick up. Well, look. This candle has retraced more than 50% of the previous candle. Maybe the probability is coming back in the favor for price to push down. Anyway, 32.80 should be the price. Gold sell now is valid. Are you smoking crack first thing in the morning today, buddy? How is it valid when the candle hasn't even closed bearish? I'm in a buy now. Oh, nice. Someone's in a buy. Do you have a Telegram channel? There's a link in description. I'm feeling very good today. Very good today. I love my magic. Thank you. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Magic keys is... Oh! Over the trading limit. Relax, Magic Keys. I'm the boss. What business do you have to tell me I'm over my trading limit, buddy? Where's this trading limit shit? Target, pip counter, partial stop loss, trading limits. Listen. Listen. I make the rules around here. How can we join your course group? The link is in like all the links are in description. Don't join if you can't read the description. Don't join. What's the documentary called? I don't know what the documentary is called. I don't know. Just YouTube James Wynn. Man, we did a whole 10-minute investigation on James Wynn. You Prem Patel, bro, what's going on? We did a whole 10-minute investigation on this guy. Man. All right. Back to business. Serious stuff now. What's this? Dominion SEO. We got a new and final backlink for the month. I'm sharing an invoice here to what she done. Why, guys? Can you guys help me understand why backlinks backlinks matter and why are these backlinks so expensive? We've paid maybe like $2,000 on these backlinks. Do these backlinks even work? Motherfuckers keep sending me invoices about these backlinks. Can we look at GJ? Why? Your GJ is not working? Sorry. Yeah, we'll look at GJ. GJ, 30-minute time frame. Yeah, okay. So we got this resistance on a 30-minute time frame. We obviously have this support on a 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 15-minute, we can adjust this area. 15 minutes, whatever. 30-minute makes sense. Yeah, I'm not gonna pay these retards $200 for this one backlink. Yeah, 30-minute. I mean, if you look at this range, it's like a 19, 16 pip range above this area. To be honest, pound yen is tough. Pound yen is tough. I mean, the only thing is if we break above its own wick, we can continue pushing up, but that's like what, 20 pips? The ideal third chance for the sell on gold will be if this 15-minute candle closes right here. Right here, if we can close. The next one we can see 3280. Backlinks matter because the more backlinks a site has, the more it is trusted by Google. Interesting. But paying that much, man, $200 for a stupid link. Anyway, I've been noticing that if you disregard the doji candle and take a trade based on previous candle of high, there's probably, yes, Amanos, some of my trades I take exactly like that. You are 100% correct. 100% correct. But that doesn't happen all the time. Sometimes it happens. Okay, this shit is not opening. It happens sometimes. Let me see. Yeah. See this candle right over here? This candle was a waste of time candle because it opened and closed at the same position. So then the next trade you're taking is based on this previous candle. Does that make sense? I'm pretty sure that makes sense. Because yes, you noticed that, and I've noticed that as well. It's just very difficult to explain it because some people are going to be doing exactly that without using their brain. You know, it doesn't happen all the time. Sometimes it happens, you know. So it's more about like, tell me if I'm right or wrong, right? It's more about intuition when you see something like that. It's intuitive. I think that's right. Intuition. Paying $200 for one backlink is crazy. Yeah, so let me tell you where this backlink is. This backlink is for the website fintechnews.org. Fintechnews.org. This is the website. Fintech News. Why am I paying $200 to these people? Yeah, let me message this SEO guy. Is he crazy? Yeah, he's probably smoking crack first thing in the morning. $200 for this stupid ass website. What's the domain authority of that website anyway? Bro, this website, $200? Come on. What's their domain authority? See, it's okay to ask that question because, hey, I'm paying. I want to know. If GJ is going, if GJ is going up, gold is going down. No, it doesn't work like that. GJ has nothing to do with gold. SEO pays well if done right. Some keywords are very pricey but worth it. Yeah. How do you check website domain authority? How do you check that? Domain authority checker. Domain authority checker. Enter domain. I wonder how accurate this shit is going to be. Domain authority rating. Oh, we have 56,000 backlinks. Domain authority is 38. Is that good? Fintechnews.org. FinTech News Domain Authority is 70. Wow, crazy. Let's check IC Markets. ICMarkets.com. IC Markets Domain Authority is not available. Why? They're too big? Ooh, wow, 70. Whoa, 1 million backlinks IC Markets has. 1 million backlinks. The fuck? That's a lot of backlinks, man. That's millions of dollars in SEO. Wow. Yeah, I don't know about this now. I don't know about this on the 15. I mean, if we break above 3290, you got like a 48 pip range. What about Vantage? Go check it yourself. When will Dominion markets allow US residents? Never, but you can go over here. Same trading conditions at toramarkets.com as Dominion. 40 to 60 Dominion authority is good. Lower than 40 really good. No, I think the higher the domain authority, the better. The higher the domain authority, the better. Let's check Google domain authority. It should be like in the hundreds or something. Google.com domain authority. Wow. Whoa, 98. You know how many backlinks Google has? Just guess. Wild guess. Wild guess. IC Markets has 1 million backlinks. Just wild guess how many backlinks Google has. 5 billion. Nice. Good try. Very good try. Want a cookie? Just wild try. Wild guess. Just guess. Ooh, crazy, man. 10 billion. 10 billion backlinks. Crazy. How do I change my MT5 to look black? Go to View, go to Color Themes, and choose Dark. If you want the dark and light templates, all you got to do is register to Dominion Markets. Once you register to Dominion Markets, go to our Discord, and in Discord, go to hold on, wallpapers. What the fuck is this? Yeah, go to wallpapers and you'll get these templates, dark and light templates. Whoever bought GJ Easy Pips. Yeah, see right here now. I mean, ooh, this is impulse entry and trend here on the 15 minute. You know, you got like a 20 pip range for pound yen. Let's take a look at this on the 1 hour time frame. Zoom out here a little bit, see what the hell's going on to the left hand side. 30 minute right over here. It's like a 20 pips away. We just started here. It's like 35 pips. Let's see here to the left hand side. Let's zoom out and okay, let's see. What do we got to the left? Wow, nothing much. Holy, what's going on over here? Damn. Nothing. What the fuck? Oh, wow. We are reaching the ceiling over here. Okay. So this was back in December. Okay, so if we break about 198, you're looking at a potential 199, 400 area on pound yen. So this, okay, so this is the ceiling we're reaching. The last time we hit the spot was 2024, December 2024. The last time we, wow. So we are at the top of the top. Yeah, we're at the top of the top on pound yen. Interesting. Top of the top on pound yen. Interesting. So we will need to break above this area. Do we have IB program? Yes, we do. How many backlinks? I did answer. Like, you have a speaker problem? 10 billion. Discord is free for MFE students only. The Dominion Discord is for only Dominion Markets clients. And I highly suggest you register to Dominion Markets. When you open an MT5 account, you get the MT5 simulator for free. There's a video I posted yesterday on YouTube, day before yesterday, and that was about how to manage your risk. There's going to be a in-depth video coming up as well later on, which I will post. That's going to be only for Market Fluidity University. But let me share this video here with you. Oh, cool. Wow, we got about 22,000 views. Interesting. Here's the link. It's not a long video. It's only like 19-20 minutes. 19-20 minutes. It's not bad. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, man. 10 billion backlinks. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. What the fuck is this? You know what someone messaged me? I was traveling, came back, and then I was working, and I couldn't respond back to this person. And you know what he messaged me? The balls on this guy, man. Take a look at this, what he messaged me. He messaged me saying, tried contacted you many times for the meetup. Only I don't care about your lifestyle or this fake videos of things you make. Fake videos of things you make. So now you see the hate coming out. You know, in the beginning he was like, I want to see you. I'm here for a few days. Let's meet up. You know, this was on Tuesday. On Monday, I came back from Cyprus. Anyway, I wanted to meet you because we had shared some great memories together in Pakistan. Okay? I never knew that under money influence, you will behave like this. Wow. See, now the true hate is coming out. Now the true nature of a person is coming out. So crazy, man. So crazy. Insane. Dominion Market PropFirm is good. Can we buy account? Yes, you can. You'll see true friends once you have money. Man, you know, the best relationships I have are with people in my industry with whom I don't want no, that's fine. But I don't see, this is where the real hate comes out. When I literally don't have time to do a little bit of a meetup, eh, everyone loves their own time. So, it's fine. Allah Hafiz. And he says also, Alhamdulillah, I am also very much fulfilled by all blessings of Allah. Allah Hafiz. Crazy. Definitely not going to meet him now. I'm going to reply to him though. I don't think you understand, buddy. What the hell is this?
roughly 7 को फिर डिनर होगा.
So yeah, low volume, nothing. Was really hoping for guys to continue to push. Oh. I have understood what your videos have shown me. Anyway, please carry on. Wow, this guy is pissed that I didn't meet him. He is pissed. So pissed. Raja, about the 5th, is there a parking? Should we say that we are here for the seminar? Anatoly, I think there will be parking. I think there will be parking. I think so. But if you're booking a room, I think in the email we gave an email address where they can accommodate you with the room. Good night, everyone. I'm done for the week. See you all Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Stay blessed. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Let's take a look at this over here. China-US finalized trade deal has been confirmed breakthrough. Interesting. The only best friends are your siblings. Adam, you know what? I 100% agree with that. The only person I spend most of my time is either my wife or my brother. That's it. I don't spend time with anyone else. I don't want to, I don't like to, but these are the two people I spend the most of my time with. My brother and my wife, and then like maybe some other friends with Caesar, some other guys, and that's it. I don't. Because you don't know the true intentions of people. You literally don't know the true intentions of people. There's this one guy I met, and like you know, I met this guy, and this guy started to tell me about these. The initial meetup was good, like, hey Raja, how are you? Blah blah blah, whatever, whatever, whatever. And then he started to pitch me these investment ideas. You know, start to pitch me these investment ideas. He's like, buddy, you know, like you can invest over here, you can invest over there. I'm starting this, I'm starting that. And you know what I said to him in the end? I told him, bro, listen, I don't invest in businesses I don't understand. So maybe we can just drop this investing conversation and let's just talk about something else, you know? And then he got pissed. You know what he said to me? He said to me, Raja, your business is in the air, you know? Your business is only in the air. You don't even know about investing. I'm giving you such good opportunities and you're not taking this seriously. Blah, blah, all this. He got super mad at that when I said I don't want to invest. And then I said to myself, you know what? I'm never going to meet people like this. I'm going to test what their, like, you know, what their true intentions are, and then we're going to do something. So this guy from Pakistan shared some good memories. I don't even think we shared a lot of memories. And yeah, man, you know, people who have known you for a long time, they will show you the most hate. Random people will always show you love all the time. Random people will always show you love. But the people who you knew from the past, they're the ones who are going to show you the most hate. 100% all the time. Tried and tested method. Tried and tested. You know? Now he's going to go back and tell all his buddies, oh, Raja didn't meet me. Money got to his head. All right. Nothing's happening now. Let's take a look at 30-minute candle, close with no wick at the bottom, 1 hour, 4 hour. It is what it is. Yeah. They don't want you to grow. I don't know, man. Like people have these different things. Like, look, my cousin Amir Khan, right? My cousin Amir Khan. He was the lightweight boxing champion of the world. You know, he's my second cousin. You know, and we have a relation from somewhere else as well. You know, I meet him maybe like once in 4 or 5 months. I see him, and randomly in a shisha lounge. You know, I message him sometimes. He replies to me after 4 or 5 days, or he messages me, or I reply to him in like 4 or 5 days. But we never say, "Oh, you know, you're big, blah blah blah." You no longer message. We don't, because we understand people have busy lives. You know, people have busy lives. They're doing stuff. You know, if in case, like, let's say someone comes to Dubai and I can't meet him while they're there, buddy, did I tell you to come to Dubai? You know, to meet. You know, people have busy lives, man. They're busy. You know, they're doing shit. Oh. You two kind of people, that's why I think they can fool you. Yeah, no one can fool me now. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna head off. Have a great Friday. I'm probably gonna look at the market maybe later on around New York session, but other than that, I'm done with Asian session. So take care, have fun, and be safe. Let's take a look at this. Pavan, ooh, entry point over here. Candle comes from 70%, so close 50. Beautiful in BE. Ah, okay. Interesting. Anyway, adios.